8.4, binomial theorem. We're going to start with some basic information on example 1, finding binomial coefficients. We have something in the form of NCR, which is C stands for combinations. The N is number of objects, and R is the number that you want at one time. So for 8C2, we're going to use the formula N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial. So the N is 8, so it's going to be 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Now we've worked on these, how to simplify these a little bit already. So that is 8 factorial over 6 factorial, 2 factorial. To simplify this, I would say 8 times 7 times 6 factorial on the top. And on the bottom, 6 factorial. And then 2 factorials 2 times 1. 6 factorials cancel. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then 4 times 7 is 28. So 8C2 would be 28. For B, sometimes it'll look like this, and I apologize, there is no fraction bar. And so sometimes the book will write it like this, and so that just means to do 10C3. So following the formula outlined here, it's going to be 10 factorial, N minus R would be 7 factorial, R would be 3 factorial. And so 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, 7 factorial, and 3 times 2 times 1. 7 factorials cancel. 3 goes into 9 3 times, 2 goes into 4 8 times, 10 times 3 times 4 is 120. Okay? C, 7C0. This would be the same thing as 7 factorial. 7 minus 0, 7 factorial, and 0 factorial. 7 factorials cancel, leaving you 1 on top, and that answer is 1 because 0 factorial equals 1, something to keep in mind. So the answer to C is 1. And the last one, D. So one thing you want to know about this is, key point, going back to C, is that anything C0, the answer is going to be 1. There's only one way to do that. The next one here is 8, so 8C8. 8 factorial, 8 on top. 8 minus 8 is 0 factorial. R factorial is 8 again. Those cancel out to give you 1 as your answer. The key point on this one is to notice that when it's 8C8 or these two numbers match each other, the answer is 1. If the last number is 0 here, 1. Match each other, 1. Okay? Try number 5 out of your book. It says 7C5. Press pause, then come back and see if you got the right answer. Okay, now that you're back, the answer should be 21. To get that, it's 7 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancels out that, leaving me 7 times 6. That makes 3. 7 times 2, 21.